Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring VB6 is installed and running on a compatible system. If you use a modern OS, run compatibility mode. Open Visual Basic 6. 0 and create a new standard exe project, then save the project into a dedicated folder so files stay organized. Once done, set project properties. Assign a clear project name and startup object to avoid confusion. Also, make sure to enable auto syntax check and set default form size. These first steps streamline everything that you design your interface by dragging controls onto Form 1 and arranging them with Snap to Grid for consistent layout. Name each control with a prefix like CMD submit or TXT input to make code readable, and set the tab order so users navigate logically. Once done, open the code window and implement event handlers for key events such as click and key press. Use option explicit at the top to prevent errors and declare types. Make sure to comment complex logic and split tasks into subs and functions for clarity. You test by running debug and exercising every feature. Reproduce errors, then fix them using breakpoints and the immediate window. Once stable, compile by choosing Make Project Name. exe and collect required runtime DLLs and OCX files. Register them if necessary on target machines. After that, create an installer or ZIP with clear instructions and include your compiled exe and dependencies. If deployment fails, one key troubleshooting tip. Check for missing VB6 runtime or unregistered OCX. Re-register with regsver32 and verify file paths to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.